Hi, welcome back. Again, my name is Paul Gruber, and this is the Pronunciation Workshop's 15th training session, Part B. Okay, now for the grand finale. In this section, as an added bonus, what all my clients beg me for, I've included for you. The 50 most mispronounced words in American English. I give you the words, I show you how to pronounce them correctly, and then I use them in a sentence. You will find this list to be extremely beneficial. These are all pretty common words, and many of them are often used in professional situations, like offices and universities. I hope you find this list to be helpful. Here are the words in alphabetical order. Accounting, ow, like down. He works in the accounting department. Argue. It's not argue, it's argue. There's a hidden Y. I don't argue with my coworkers. Actually. It's not actually with a CH, it's actually with an SH sound. Actually. Actually, I left you a message. Available with a strong V. V. It also has 4 syllables. Available. Available. Those shoes are not available in your size. Arrangements. Use a strong R followed by the J sound. Arrangements. We made arrangements to meet after work. Basically, there are 3 syllables. Basically. Basically. It's basically a good idea. Business. Most Americans pronounce this word with 2 syllables. Business. Her business does very well. Calls. Bring your tongue up for that L. Calls. She calls me every day. Complete. This has a strong L in the second syllable. Complete. We will complete our project. Continue. 3 syllables. Last syllable has a hidden Y. Continue. His classes will continue next month. Contribute. 3 syllables. Contribute. We will contribute our time. Corporation. 4 syllables. The third syllable has a very strong R. She works for a huge corporation. Differences. 3 syllables, and the second syllable begins with a strong R. Differences. There are many differences between us. Directly. 3 syllables, and most Americans drop the T. Directly. She is directly responsible. Exactly. 3 syllables. Exactly. It's exactly what we always wanted. Educational. 5 syllables. Educational. Educational. This movie is very educational. Every has a very strong V sound followed by an R. Every. We travel every year. Exceptional. It has 4 syllables. Exceptional. She is an exceptional student. Familiar with a strong L, and there's also a hidden Y after the L. Familiar. She has a familiar face. Financial. 3 syllables. Financial. New York is a great financial center. Frustrating. Strong R's in that word. Frustrating. Good pronunciation can be frustrating. General. Don't forget the L at the end of that word. General. Give me a general idea. Immediately has 5 syllables. Immediately. Immediately. Once I took the phone call, I left immediately. Inconvenience, 4 syllables, and there is also a hidden Y in the last syllable. Inconvenience. The power outage was a big inconvenience. Introduce, 3 syllables. Introduce. Let me introduce you. Irrational, 4 syllables with a very strong R. Irrational. His fear of elevators was irrational. Justice. Don't drop the middle T. Justice. They asked the judge for justice. Likeable has the high I vowel. I. Likeable. He is very likeable. Loosen. This has the oo vowel sound. Bring your lips forward. Ooh. Loosen. It's too tight. We need to loosen it. Measurements has the voiced zh sound. Measurements. The measurements were accurate. Middle. It has 2 syllables, and bring your tongue up quickly for that final L. Middle. Middle. We get paid in the middle of the month. Multiple. 3 syllables. Multiple. Multiple. We have multiple offices in the city. National, with the sh sound in the middle and an L sound at the end. National. Our story made the national news. Original, 4 syllables with a strong R. Original. Your idea is certainly original. Outrageous, 3 syllables. First syllable has the ow sound followed by an R. Outrageous. That was an outrageous request. Particular, 4 syllables. Particular. Particular. She wants a particular car. Partnership, 3 syllables. We have a solid partnership. Problem. This has a strong R. And then in the second syllable there's a strong L. Problem. They no longer have a problem. Prohibit. 3 syllables. Prohibit. They prohibit the use of alcohol. Quality. Your tongue should come up slowly for the L. Quality. This shirt is made of good quality. Question. Please ask me a question. Referring. 3 syllables. Referring. What are you referring to? Regardless. Regardless with a strong L. I want to redo this project regardless of the cost. Request. Don't forget that ST ending. Request. They made a special request. Similar has 3 syllables. Similar. Similar. We have similar opinions. Specific. 3 syllables. Specific. Please be specific. Value. There's a strong L and then a hidden Y. Value. I value our friendship. Visualize. 4 syllables. Visualize. Visualize. Can you visualize what you'll be doing in 10 years? Vulnerable. Give that a strong L. Vulnerable. Without the police, they were very vulnerable. Working. This word has the vowel sound. Working. I have been working on these videos for 6 years. No kidding. Well, there you go. The 50 most mispronounced words in American English. I hope that was helpful. You may wish to go over this list again. Well, congratulations. You finally made it to the end of the program. Although I'm sure there is more to improve upon, I do hope that the Pronunciation Workshop program has given you a greater sense of confidence and self-worth in terms of your English communication skills. I hope that if before you began my program, if you were self-conscious about your English pronunciation, that you now feel a little better about your speech and at least know what areas of pronunciation you need to continue to work on. I am always trying to improve this program, and I do get many ideas from my clients. If you have time, please send me an email through my website. Let me know how you did, if you enjoyed the program, and if you have any suggestions to make it even better. I always love to hear from people who took this program and see how my work has changed people's lives for the better. Also, don't forget to tell your friends, relatives, and coworkers about this unique online training program. I'm sure that they would love to improve the way they speak English as well. Also, for your information, at certain times throughout the year, depending on my work schedule, I do work with people individually over the telephone as well as in person. Believe it or not, working with me personally over the telephone one-on-one can be very effective, especially after completing this online training. If you are interested in working with me on a direct one-to-one basis, again, contact me through the pronunciationworkshop.com website. Well, congratulations again. You have just completed the most comprehensive and effective program on English pronunciation available today. You should be very proud of yourself for all your efforts. I hope my program has brought you a greater sense of confidence, and I also hope that in some way I've been a positive influence on your life. I thank you for allowing me this opportunity. Good luck in all your endeavors, and take care. I'm Paul Gruber for the Pronunciation Workshop. Goodbye.